So today's Tuesday. Testing out my new camera. I just got 1080p camera, so all my videos from now on will be good quality, won't be shitty quality like the other ones. I'm going to be getting the car lowered here in a couple days. The back doesn't have that much wheel gap. I guess it does. Put my hand in there, no problem. The front is the worst. You can definitely tell. Looks like I'm about to go off-road. The plastic dip the side trim, which was a video I did a couple days ago, came out pretty good. I might be doing the window trim since it's starting to come off here. It's also coming off in the front somewhere down here. I'm going to be doing these also. I'll be doing those in maybe this weekend if I have time after I get off work. I just bought the VHT stuff for the taillights, so I can tint the taillights, but I have to get a new taillight because someone backed into my car or some shit, as usual. This summer I'm going to be getting a new bumper. Got a new exhaust and everything, but need to get a new bumper because this one is fucked. Somebody hit me right there when I was at school. Can't help that. Let's see. I think that's all I'm going to be doing. Pretty much. I'll be doing the trim again, like right here, it's starting to come off. And right here where you put your hand at when you're driving. I'll be doing that. I'll be getting a cold air intake too. I think I might be ordering one of those pretty soon. But yeah, I'll have new videos probably this weekend, depending how fast the rack comes in, if we have time to put lowering springs on and whatnot. I got springs, I got drop hats for the front. I also got new sway links in the back, so those are all new back there. All the suspension is new. But that's pretty much it. The camera looks good, and I'll be having new videos pretty soon.